Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of the Canning Nana. So I just wanted to do a channel update really quickly. So coming up, this week we're going to be canning chicken in a way a new recipe that I'm going to be trying. So, and it's not going to be raw packed chicken. It's going to be partially cooked, just browned chicken. And then I'm going to do some seasonings and things. So stay tuned for that. That's going to be coming tomorrow, Monday, March 15th. I'm also going to be doing the feta cheese tomato pasta dish that looks amazing. So I bought feta cheese, and I will show you all of my tomatoes that I've picked from my garden so far. So here are my tomatoes. I've just got a bunch of cherry tomatoes still coming out from the garden. I've got sun gold, I've got some grape tomatoes in there, just some red cherry 100s, and then I've got some black cherry tomatoes that are just starting to get nice and big. Whoops, look at that, nice and big. So we're going to be doing that. And then we are going to be making a salmon dinner in creamy Dijon sauce that I got from HelloFresh. So we're going to be doing that. That probably will be Tuesday or Wednesday. I'm also going to be making my spaghetti sauce and canning it up, but I'm going to be doing a completely different way than any other video I've ever done. So what I'm going to be doing is going back to my childhood, and I'm going to be doing the spaghetti sauce the way that my mom used to do it a long time ago when she didn't have a whole lot of time to do like a bolognese, marinara. So this is going to be a little bit different, and I'm going to be using canned tomatoes, San Marzano canned tomatoes from Italy. They're imported, and I have enough in stock now where I can make my delicious spaghetti sauce. So you don't want to miss that. So this week coming, we're also going to be doing our 6,000 subscriber giveaway. I know, it's crazy. Just crazy. In addition to that, I want to remind everyone to please support Heather at the Needy Homesteader. I will put her fundraising link in this video again. You guys, she's at $500,000, just over actually. Let's get her to $1 million. Please, please, please share her link with everybody, and please ask them to share it with 10 people. Just get it out there. I've contacted MAD, Mothers Against Drug Driving. I have contacted the local news. I've contacted Michigan News, CNN, Fox News, all the major news outlets. Really, really trying to get it out there. I've got some friends with connections getting the word out there. And it's on Twitter. We need to get her to $1 million, you guys. Heather has taught me so much, and I know that she's taught all of you, or a lot of you, a lot of things over the years. I have watched her for at least 10 years, and she's just amazing. So, I'm going to be doing one of her bread recipes this week, just in support of her. I don't usually do bread recipes, but I have wanted to start. I was looking forward to her bread series, and I really, really wanted to start doing bread again. I've got sourdough going. You guys know that, sourdough starter. I want to start doing a lot more things than I'm doing. So I'm also going to show you how to do an Italian scotcha. We call them scotches here in the US. But in Italy, they're called scotcha, and it's also with dough and tomato sauce, and fresh tomatoes, parsley, and that's really about it. Salt and pepper, but they are so good, you guys. So stay tuned for that too. That's coming this week as well. So I just really want to say thank you to everybody who has supported me while supporting Heather. You guys have been amazing. Thank you so much for donating money, for watching the video. All the proceeds, we are up to $23 and change on the video that I posted for Heather. Keep watching the video, keep sharing that video. All the proceeds go to her. Thank you for purchasing Avon. Thank you for purchasing Herbalife. 25% goes to Heather directly off my sales. So you guys are just amazing. And also on the debubblers, again, $2 from each debubbler goes to Heather. So thank you guys for supporting. Thank you guys for standing by one of our sister canners who's in need. And thank you for the prayers for her and for her family. Like I said, let's get her up to $1 million. The last thing she needs to worry about is expenses of any kind for her family, bills, anything. That it's a terrible tragedy, but with our community, we can make it just a little bit easier for her. So this is the way we can help. Please keep watching her videos, watch her playlist, just put it on automatic. That really helps. It really helps her. It helps all of us, you know. I know a lot of people do it for a lot of different channels. People have done it for me too, and I've appreciated it. So I know how much that helps. So I just want to thank you guys for sticking in there. We've got a lot of fun things coming. We really do. A lot of canning. We're going to start making some bread. We're going to start doing some recipes and a lot of gardening things coming up. Oh my gosh, lots and lots of gardening things. So thank you for all of your support again. And stay tuned because there's a lot of stuff coming, you guys. Thanks for watching, and thank you for being such a loving community.